Hi, this week we are going to be painting some plums, and what's really nice about painting the plums is they've got this lovely soft bloom over them, so we're going to be looking at how to do that and painting it in reverse by painting the bloom first and then the colour around it. And I've also added a little shadow on this which will turn it into a little still life if you want to. So give this one a go, see how you get on. It's a nice little project for people that are just starting to feel like they've got their confidence, and if you want to give it a go completely without any experience at all, then why not? Let's see all those pages of these beautiful fruits brought to life.